and collections. When you double click on the collection, you will get environment to insert the records, right? Okay. So now let's do those operations fastly, guys. Studio 3T. Okay. Studio 3T is there or not there? Earlier name is Robo 3T. Now they changed the name to what? Studio 3T. Yeah, it's a trial version, guys. It's a trial version. Some limitations will be there, but that is enough for our learning purpose. Okay, connect. One connection is established. Okay, that's good. So I want to create a logical DB here, boss. Right click, tell me. Right click, add database. What is the database? Add database. Remind me later. NITDB1. What is there? NITDB1. In this NITDB1, what are those guys? Collections. Add collection. Okay, I will take this time student. Anything we can take, guys, not a problem. Double click on it. Double click on it. Here you will get a browsen. Okay, here we got a browsen. This JSON view. What is there? Table view. This is the table view. Here there is option of adding the collection document, guys. I'm clicking on it. Here we are trying to add the document. What is there? SNO colon 1001. Yes name. What is there? Colon Raja. SADD colon Hydra. What is there? Add document. Okay, view document. If you want to view the document, you can use it. Next one, show update dialog box. If you want to update, you can update, guys. Okay, here you have to write the condition. Instead of this, okay, instead of doing that much hangama, here only you can modify, guys. Here only you can modify. But there's no need of doing this hangama. Okay, here you can modify, guys. It's not allowing to modify, yeah. Select this, click on it, yes. Here you can modify to wise. Instead of me remembering syntax and other things, you can just click on update. That is reflecting here or not there. And there is a delete button. Okay. Here you can find the value. Okay. Find the value. Yeah, what is there? Yes name. Yes name colon Raja. So we can ask for certain value to come or not there, guys. Okay. So like this, documents to add plus one to added. So far one document is added. Like this, we have options, add, view, update, and delete. Easy. Whatever commands we have written instead of that, we can go for GUI operations are not there. Right. To update, view document, edit document, modify attribute. Right click on customer, update document, add a new document. Okay, here what is this? Table view. Right click. What is there? Update dialog. Okay, insert view document. Yes, here also we can change Raja to Raja 1. Yes. You have to click on this. You have to click on this. Where is the option, guys? Just now I have shown na document, edit document. What document? Edit. Yeah, not the view document. You have to use edit document option. Understood my statement or not there? Okay. Okay, guys. This is to update the document. Tell me next one. Perform other operation on the document. Remove, rename, all this stuff. Open, drop the. If you want, you can drop the collection also. Go to collections. Your student is there. We can happily drop the collection or not, guys. Where is this? Drop the collection. Yes. It's a regular one. Okay. Add username password to the logical DB for authentication using robot. This one. Adding username password is optional. Okay, we can connect to this logical DB without username password also. But let me say one thing. Earlier they used to allow to add username password, guys. But now they made it as a trial version and commercial version. That's why they are not allowing to add username password to the logical DB. Username password to the logical DB if it is a trial version. If it is a trial version. As it is a trial version, we cannot add what? Username password. You cannot really add what? Username and password. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Come on. Okay. Edit user details, all this stuff. Okay. Now you are, see guys, logical DB, users, add user, right click on manage user, add user. So there is a users option. Check it out. Basically, are we getting any user option here, guys? Not coming. Why not coming? Because we are dealing with the trial version, na? That's why not coming. Sir, is there any problem if I don't add username password? No problem at all. It will continue with, we can connect to this logical DB without worrying about that. Developing document class whose objects represent what? Documents of a collection in MongoDB. So document one, document two. Your attributes are not fixed. You must take at the rate document having maximum attributes. Okay. And how many versions are there? You take ID property. MongoDB generated hexadecimal number value as ID property value, right? Okay. Version 2. You take any property, but you have to manually assign what? ID property value. Second one is good or bad? Second one is not recommended to use. Is it recommended to use, guys? Not recommended to use. Is it recommended to use or not recommended to use? Okay, definitely not recommended to use. Okay, now, right. Like Hibernate JPA, we don't have ready-made generator configuration for what? ID property in MongoDB document. In MongoDB, officially there is no PKFK constraint, but we can bring that effect indirectly. PK constraint using ID attribute, FK constraint using what? Documents, nested or what? Changing. There is no PK, FK constraint, we can bring that effect, guys. If you feel you can store unique value in CNO property, then CNO has what? ID property. Otherwise, follow what? Version 1. Otherwise, follow version 1. The Java class, the Java document object representing MongoDB document of a collection can have dynamically generated string value as what? ID value. Or custom string value as what? ID value. Or our choice property value as what? ID value. Instead of all these things, it's better to go for what? Version 1. Nothing but string ID. Okay. Dynamically generated what? Hexadecimal number will be there as what? ID value. Procedure to develop MongoDB, guys. Procedure to develop MongoDB. Okay. So here we are having, listen guys, we can perform code operations on MongoDB. Number one, by using Mongo repository interface methods. Number two, Mongo template. What is there? We can work with what? Mongo template option. There is option to work with what? Mongo template. So two options are there. In Spring Data JPM, we don't have any template, only with repository methods, right? But here we can deal with what? Mongo repository interface method and what? Mongo template. Both options can be used or not, guys. Okay. Okay, guys. Tell me, what are the starters I need to add, my dear? Spring Data, MongoDB. MongoDB starter and also what? Yeah, let me choose one or other workspace. I'll choose 515. Later I copy to other people also. Okay. Close all editors, guys. File. Where is this? Others. Spring Starter project. What project, guys? Spring Starter project. Tell me here, what is there? Spring Starter project. Boot data JP. No, boot data MongoDB. Pros 01. Say next. Spring Data MongoDB. Lambda KPI. So these are the two starters that we are adding now, boss. One is Lambda KPI. This is this one. Okay. Say next. Save finish. Say next. Save finish. Boot data MongoDB pros 1. Go to this place, guys. Okay. Now establish the connection with the, what is that? MongoDB software. There are some properties which we have to add, guys. Spring.data.mongodb.host for logical database name. And username password is optional now, boss. If you don't create username password for logical database, passing them here also optional, boss. Okay. Am I audible, guys? Online student, please check that. Yes. If MongoDB, logical DB, MongoDB software, logical DB is created. What created? Created. What is there? Without. If MongoDB software, logical DB is created. Without what, guys? Without having username and password. Username and password. Without having a username and password. Okay. Okay. Then adding adding them adding them in adding them in application for connectivity is also, what is there? Completely optional. Is also completely optional. Okay. Spring dot data dot MongoDB dot database. NTSPBMS. What is there? NTSPBMS. NTSPBMS. What is there, guys? What is, I think, what is the logical database I created, guys? NITDB1. Okay. NITDB1. MongoDB dot host. Local host. MongoDB dot port 27017. What is that, guys? 27017. NITDB1 localhost 27017. Are you getting my point there, guys? Come on, everyone. Right click, new package. com.nt.document. com.nt.document. New package. com.nt.service. New package. Port number is fixed. 27017 is fixed, guys. Yeah, com.nt.report. And we can do persistence operations on MongoDB in two ways. One is by using Mongo repository methods, which is the sub interface for what? Paging and sorting repository. That means we can use CRUD repository method, paging and sorting repository method as common methods. And we can also use what? Mongo repository method as direct methods. Okay, here is my repository. For array, after seeing one, two application, you only come to one conclusion. Same as what? Spring Data JPA. Why I will tell. Okay. Spring Data module provides unified model to interact with both SQL and NoSQL database software or not, guys. The way you are talking with a SQL database software, similarly, you can also talk with what? NoSQL database software, right? So that's why I can say it provides what? Unified model to interact with both SQL and NoSQL database software. Is that clear, guys? Okay, guys. Database, everything, logical database. If you are working with the Mongo repository approach to perform persistence operation, for every collection, you have to take separate Mongo repository. a custom repository interface. But if you are using Mongo template kind of thing to perform persistence operation, okay, na boss? All persistence operations can be done. Come on, by using single Mongo template object on any collection, on any number of collections, we can do persistence operation by using what? Single Mongo template object. What object, guys? Purely literally by using what? Single Mongo template class object. Using single Mongo template class object, those persistence operations can be done or not done. Those persistence activities can be done or not done, guys. Okay, now I'm taking one more thing. Right click, new package, com.nt.runners. What dot runners, guys? com.nt.runners, boss. Okay. Tell me here. com.nt.document, new class. Where is this student? Student.java @entity. Oh, this time @document. If you give the collection name, right, it will create the collection with that name. If you don't give collection name, it will create the collection with what? Class name itself, na boss? Okay. We will take the product. Let's rename the file product.java. Here is what? Product. Private string ID. To tell that it is not a normal property, we'll put what? @ID on the top of it. We will put what? @ID on the top of it, right? Name. Private string what, guys? Address. Name, private string, what is the one we have taken, guys? Address. Okay, now. Okay, private float average. Private float average. Okay, any number of properties you can take, guys. Okay, and keep it flexible to increase number of properties, right? Properties will be added, boss, will not be deleted because old documents may be having those properties now, boss. Okay, so public float average, public string call is. Here no need of controlling length, guys. Here are documents, not the columns, right? No need of controlling length, and there is no provision also to control the length. Okay, what is there? Oh, I have taken this one, huh? Okay. Product name, that's okay. This is ID. Product status. This is price. Okay. Price. Tell me. Quantity. You are taking what? This one. Quantity. Price and quantity, guys. So let me add @data there. Huh? What? Versioning is not there, guys. Versioning, time stamping. Don't expect. They are the part of what? Spring data, J. Here no versioning, time stamping kind of features, guys. Okay. Okay, boss. Here is my product.java. Okay, next one. com.nt.repository. com.nt.repository. Interface. iProduct repository. What is there? iProduct repository. Mongo repository. Mongo repository is the subinterface of what? Mongo repository. Here also same stuff. What is the document class? Product. What is the ID property? Int is. Oh, this time string. You are right. What is the ID property? String, guys. The ID property that I have to use is what? String. Control plus shift plus O. Still error. Why red mark? No red mark here. Why it is coming there? Okay, it's gone. Now go to service. Hey, boring. Whatever you have done in what? Crude repository, paging and sorting repository, same thing here. That's the beauty of what? Spring Data JPA, right? It provides unified model to interact with what? Both SQL and NoSQL database software. That's it. Unified model, right, guys? New. What is there? Interface. Product management service. Product management service. Public string. Register product. Product to prod. Next, new class. Product management service IMP. Where is this? Product management service. Say okay, save. Say okay, save, finish. At the rate service, what is there? Array default bean ID. It will continue what default. Private product repository. What there? Prod repo. At the rate auto. What is there, guys? At the rate auto. Simply what? At the rate auto. Public string. Register product, right? Register product. Save the document. String ID val is equal to same. Prod repo dot. Prod repo dot save. What is there? Prod. Prod repo dot save prod. Dot get ID. Product is saved with the ID value plus ID. Product is saved with the ID value plus ID value. That's great. Okay, guys, next one. Here is my runners. New class. Tell me next one. New class. Tell me what is the next one we have to worry. Runner, guys. Mongo repository test runner. Mongo repository test runner. Interface, what is there? Okay, command line runner. What runner boss? Command line runner. Okay, that's great. Followed by that, what is there? At the rate component. At the rate component. Tell me here. Private I product management service. What is there? Prod service. Tell me. At the rate auto. Okay, we have to implement run method here. You have to implement run method. So let's see how to implement run method over there, guys. Okay, let's see how to implement run method. Super. Try. What is there? Catch exception E dot print stack trace. E dot print stack trace. Tell me. E dot print stack trace. Product to prod is equal to what is equal to? Product to prod is equal to new product. If you understand, okay, except ID value, remaining values, we only need to give. If you want, you can use a non-null, but better not to use a non-null. Why? Because next time when I create object, few properties may be there, few extra properties may be there. So it's better not to apply non-null now while creating what? Because since unstructured data, dynamically growing data, it's better not to add non-null constraint, non-null on the top of what? Okay, let me add that comment for our reference. The properties counting document will keep on changing as number of attributes increasing in the documents of the collection. In the documents of the collection. In the documents of the collection, guys. Tell me what to be done there. What to be done? Okay, guys. The properties count in document class will keep on changing as number of attributes increasing this. While designing and developing, while designing and what? Developing document class. While designing and developing what, guys? Document class. Okay, guys, while designing and developing what? Document class. It is recommended. It's a recommended for not adding what, guys? It's a recommended for not adding at the rate. What is there? Non-null constraint. At the rate non-null constraint. It is recommended. It is recommended for not adding at the rate non-null constraint, guys. What constraint, my dear? It's recommended for not adding non-null constraint because The documents of the collection do not have what attributes? Fixed attributes. That means they will have what guys? Dynamically growing attributes. That means they will have what? Dynamically growing attributes. This is one point that we have to go notice, my dear. Yeah, product. Tell me. Prod dot ID. Prod dot table. Prod dot set price. Some 1 lakh rupee. 1 lakh rupee F. Prod dot set quantity. Some 10 number F. Okay. Product prod is equal to new product of. Here we are setting the things nicely, my dear. Come on, everyone. Okay. We are setting the things nicely here. ID will be generated dynamically, my dear, after listening. So at the right ID, hexadecimal number will be generated. Use service. What service? Use service. String ID val is equal to prod service dot register product system dot out dot println. Product is saved with ID value plus what is there? ID. With ID value plus ID value. Are you getting my point there, guys? Super. Right click, run as Java. So collection will be created dynamically. In that collection, document will be created dynamically. Oh, error came. Write operation on server. Write operation on server. Oh, DB already exists in different case. Oh, nothing is there. Nothing is there. Logical DB is a case sensitive. NIT DB1. NIT DB1. It's looking like a case sensitive, guys. Yeah, it's saved with the so-and-so ID. Some hexadecimal number has come. Okay, that's great. Go to Studio 3T here. Yes. Go to Studio 3T. What is our logical database? Refresh all. NIT DB1. One collection product. Yes. We got it. Okay. So that here underscore ID is coming dynamically, and this value will be stored into what, guys? This value will be stored into ID property. ID property. Here underscore ID, their ID property. Okay, we'll have same value. Dynamically generated value will be there. Okay, now let me give the feeling. Let me give the feeling. These are okay, dynamically changing attributes, guys. Attributes are not fixed. Okay. Right. This time I will take next one. Prod dot set status. Prod dot set status. Yes, active. Prod dot set status active. Okay. Right click. Run as a Java application. You can take a different product also. Now, active status is added now, my dear. And every if at all document is inserted through front-end application, so it will remember the class name using which that is inserted. That means it will tell, okay, this data is compatible to load into so and so class objects. Compatible to load through what? So and so class object. That simple meaning it will supply or not, guys? It will supply that simple meaning, guys. Okay, now I will tell one thing. See, I want to say product will have private company, private local day, expiry date, private string company. Some extra properties are added here. Okay. Extra properties are added here. Okay, I'm taking second one. Some food item, guys. Some food item. What is there? Milk. Price 100 rupees. Quantity. I need 5 pockets. 5 hours. Status. Active. Actively available. RN. Available, not available kind of thing. Prod dot. Set company. What is that? Amul. Amul is popular in India. Prod dot. Next. Okay. Set expiry date. Set what? Expiry date. Local date dot. Local date dot. Now plus one. Oh, not allowing. So what is that? Local date dot of year 2025. What is the month? 10th month. What is the day month? 20. Something. Yeah. Comma. This time I'm not taking status. I'm not taking status. Okay, status will be there, but it will be empty one, right? So now attributes are dynamically changing. In the collection also attributes are added dynamically. Or if it is table, can we add it, attributes dynamically, guys? Can we add attributes dynamically? Can we add columns dynamically based on the properties that are added to entity class? Not possible. Yeah. Let's see, guys. You run the application or right click, run as, what is there? Java. Right click, run as Java application. Say refresh. Status is empty, boss. Okay, company is also here. Company Amul is there. Expiry date has come. It is stored in the DM. Everything nicely, my dear. So at least now observe dynamically growing attributes are there. But you have to take properties in document class by keeping maximum possible entries in mind. What mind? Maximum possible entries in mind. Convinced or not, guys? Maximum possible entries in mind. Are you getting my point there or not there, guys? Super, boss. Okay. So this is what we need to focus, guys. Okay. Develop repository interface. Be developed. This is the hierarchy. Mongo repository is the sub-interface of paging and sorting repository. That is sub-interface of CRUD repository. CRUD repository is the sub-interface of this. In 3.x, the story is different. Repository, CRUD and paging sorting repository, list CRUD and list paging Under this, we have got what? Mongo repository. Okay, these are common repositories, guys. Mongo repository is specific to what? NoSQL database software. We are inserting, guys. We are inserting. If we insert docs to MongoDB collection from any Spring Data MongoDB application, then we get one additional key in what? MongoDB document. That is what? Underscore class having document class name. Document class name coming or not coming? Here also observe. Underscore class is coming there, saying that okay, this document content is compatible to store in what? It says this document content is compatible to store in what? Come on, guys. Okay. This art given document class object. Both underscore ID underscore class are dynamically generated keys in JSON document uh, that that is inserted in MongoDB, using Spring Data MongoDB application. What application? Spring Data MongoDB application. Okay, that's good. To fetch all the documents we have. So what are the methods we have here in Mongo repository? What are the methods we have? Save all, find all sort, insert yes, insert iterable s, find all example s, find all example s sort. Not only these methods, we can also think about what? Using the methods that are there in common repositories, na boss. First priority to this method. If they are not sufficient, then only think about what? Common repository interface method. Nothing but crude repository and what? Code repository and what? Paging and sorting repository interface method. What is there? Paging and sorting repository interface methods, guys. Okay. Okay, now. So now let's go for what? Find all. And find all will give me all the things, na boss. Right. What is there? Public list product to all products. Public list product to show all products. That's great. Show all products, guys. Tell me. Return. Where is this? Prod repo dot. What repo dot? Find all. Return prod repo dot find all. Return prod repo dot find all. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Okay. Yes, my dear. Tell me next one. Here, let's comment this save operation. That's what I'm trying to say. Until you design document class only, things are little new. After that, nothing is new. Everything is what? Same. With that intention only, they have designed what? Spring Data MongoDB. But few other concepts also there. Because not only repository method, we have Mongo template to use, right? Okay, guys. Now let's see. Try. What is there? Catch exception e dot print stack trace, e dot print stack trace. Next one. What is there? Prod service dot show all products dot. Come on. Show all products dot. Tell me. For each system dot out colon println. System dot out colon println. System dot out colon println. Mongo repository runner was. Why red mark here? Yeah, yeah, extra floor break. Right click, guys, run on. Yeah, we have to do this. Run as Java application. See, wherever not there, they are not coming. Wherever there, they are coming. Here are not there. Same. All the records are coming. Fine. Okay, now I would like to go for find by ID. Let me do all code operation first to get the confidence. It is same as what previous one. Okay, I product management service, guys. Next, what is there? Public product show product by ID into ID. Oh, this time string ID. All these repository methods, what guys? All these repository methods, what saying? Return type or list? I think list only, na? Okay, I have given hierarchy method, check it out. Here I have given hierarchy of methods. Find all list T, find all sort list T. Here list only, not the other one. Okay, there is no direct find by ID, guys. That means it is going to work with what? Crude repository find by ID only, na? Separate find by ID is not there. Whatever code repository find by ID is there. The same crude repository find by ID we can use over here or not there. We can happily use over here or not there, guys. Come on, everyone. Super, guys. Tell me. Repository interface, leave it. Product management service, that's good. Go to implementation class, guys. Show product by ID. Here. Prod repo dot find by ID. Or else, what is there? Or else throw. Or else throw. New. Illegal argument exception. What is there? Invalid ID. New illegal argument exception. What is that, guys? Invalid ID. Okay, that's good. Prod repo dot find by ID or else throw new illegal argument exception. What is there, guys? Invalid ID. Okay, that's good. Mango repository test runner. Mongo repository test runner. Where is this? Try. What is this, guys? Catch. Exception E. E dot print stack trace. End of this. Okay, na? End of this. Product. Okay, what is there? Product. Prod is equal to. Product to prod is equal to. Tell me. Prod service dot show product by ID. Okay, I think a big number is there here. So product by ID. Copy these guys. Paste it. System.out.println. What is there? The details are, what is there? Prod. The details are prod, guys. That's good. The details are prod. Save this one, guys. Right click, run as Java application. Right click. Okay. Product this. Tell me, we are getting that record. Suppose if I give wrong ID, boss. Suppose I have given wrong ID. You will get exception, product not found exception, or illegal argument exception, guys. We are getting the exception, illegal argument exception, invalid ID. So that means almost all the things are same, my dear. Okay, that's good. Now, so find by ID, find all over, insert or. We'll see one update operation, one delete operation. What that too by using predefined methods. Lot of custom methods also there. We have to go into discuss, right? Okay. Public string. Update product price. Update price by into PID. Tell me, guys. Into PID. Into PID. Float hike percentage. Why, guys? Yeah, I'm habituated to integer earlier. Okay, actually string. String PID, what is that? Float hike percentage. Okay, that's good. Okay, come to this place, guys. Come on. Good. Update price. First, you get the product object, guys. First, check product is available or not. First, let me check product is available or not. First, we are checking product is available or not. Tell me. Product to prod is equal to this. Yeah, now we have to think about, okay, if available, we are getting it. Then we have to modify the product or not, guys. Yeah, how to modify the product. Prod dot set price is equal to prod dot get price plus prod dot get price into hike percent by 100.0. Hike percent by 100 points. Okay, what's happening? Set price. Change method to this, nothing else. F. If you keep F, float by float, float only comes. Float by double gives double. But our property is what? Floated. A regular boring things, guys. Come on. Prod, prod repo dot say prod. Yeah, return. What is there, guys? Return. PID product details updated. PID product details are updated. Are you getting my point there, guys? PID product details are updated. That's great. Prod repo dot by ID. Update price. What's the issue? Yes, we got it. Yeah, done. Mongo repository. String message is equal to prod service dot tell me. Prod service dot update product price. What price, guys? Update product price. Say paste. Five 5% I want to increment. How much I want to increment? 5%. Exception E. What is there, guys? Exception E. E dot print stack trace. E dot print stack trace this. System dot out dot println message. Right click, run as Java. Yeah. In runner, this extra one I kept, mouse. In runner, I kept that extra one. Run as a Java application. Here simply what, guys? Product details are updated. What details are updated, guys? Product details are updated. Are you getting my point there, guys? Product details are updated. Super. Definitely, solidly, what is there? Product details are updated. So here, lot of methods are there. Fetch all documents. In MongoDB docs of the collection does not show keys that are having null value. MongoDB docs of collection does not show the keys that are having what null value. How can you say that? Listen. For example, you go there. Okay. You go to this section, guys. You go to this section. Which section? View section. See, only non-empty things are showing now. Okay, you click on it. There are some empty columns, empty attributes. Okay, you click on view. Is it showing any non-empty? Not showing. See, when you store into object anyhow properties are there, default value will be shown. But as a document, it is showing a boss? No. That means as a document, it is not allocating memory for non-properties, guys. Oracle DB table column, empty columns in the records representing null values are what? No value. Java object holds null values or default values or initial values when no data is bound explicitly. When no data is bound explicitly. Okay, na boss? Yes. Okay, batch insertion of document by using what? Save. Batch insertion, guys. I think we have not done this, but we can check it. So same as previous one, nothing great. Not one product. I want to insert what? Different products. I want to insert multiple products what? At a time. Okay. Let's try this. Public string. Public string. Register products. Public string register product. Public string register products. List product list, guys. Simply what I am putting here, guys. List product list. Simply what is the one I am taking up, guys? List product list. Getting my point there or not there? Okay, that means I want to save multiple things. Let's come to this. Here return type is list. Return type is not iterable. So I can apply streaming API directly by calling stream method, right? Okay, guys. Tell me. Same thing. It will take the document object without ID value and returns what? Same document object having ID values. All these statements are going to be regular, normal one or not, guys? Yeah. Tell me here, what is the story that we have to focus, boss? Um, Prod repo dot. What repo dot, guys? List product. What, guys? List prod. What is there? Saved prods. Saved prods. Prod repo dot. Save all. Okay, what is there? List. Save all list. Okay. Okay, now use repo. Collect ID values of saved docs. ID values of saved docs, right? Collect ID values of saved docs. Whatever documents we are saving, from there I want to get what? ID values. That's good. Tell me. List string IDs is equal to saved prods dot saved prods dot. Tell me. Saved prods dot. Come on. Stream dot. Stream dot. Not collect. Not collect. Map. Product colon. Get AID. Get ID. Dot collect. Collectors dot to list. Collectors dot to list. IDs dot size. IDs dot size number of docs are saved. Having ID values plus IDs. Having ID values plus IDs. Simply literally having ID values plus IDs. Right. Here what is their size is the method. Mr. Mister, you are listening less, talking more nowadays. Focus. Hmm. Okay. If you want to talk more and more, come here. I will sit there. You come here. Then, all overactive, overaction. No, wherever you are there, hangama is more, activities are less. Focus. Try, guys. Tell me. String message is equal to. Tell me. First of all, you have to pass list of prods, na boss. Product. What is this? Product to prod one. What is there? Product to prod one. Product to prod one. New product of prod one dot. Set name table. Set name table. But we have to, yeah, ID value will be generated dynamically. Prod one dot set price. Yeah, only these two things I am keeping, guys. I want remaining things to come dynamically. What is that? Prod 2. Prod 2 dot set name. Prod 2 dot this. Here is my what? Chair. Okay, 141 this something. Here in second document, I can take quantity also. Let me take quantity. Prod 2 dot set to quantity 10.0. It's happening, guys. It's really taking place or not there. String message is equal to, tell me. Prod service dot register products list dot of prod 1 comma prod 2. Yes. System dot out dot println ms. What is there? Catch. Exception E. E dot print stack trace. Exception E. What is there, guys? E dot print stack trace. Are you getting my point there, guys? Come on. Okay. Table, chair, all this stuff. Okay, this is what we discussed or not there, guys. Yeah, now it's a bulk save. What we want to do is want bulk save operation. Right click, run as Java application. It will try to save more and more documents, guys. Tell me here. Say refresh. More two documents have come now. Table chair, remaining all are empty properties. Okay, like this bulk save is happened or not happened? Okay, that's good. So now what I want to do is, I want to delete the products, no doubt in that, not by ID. That's a boring one. You can do on your own, right? Okay. What I want to do is based on the no, I don't want not custom method with the predefined methods. Okay, with predefined. I want to get all I want to get all active state products and I want to delete them. I want to get all active state products and I want to delete them. Okay, but these are predefined method. Select operation other than ID value means difficult na boss. But we have an example, yes. Come on, my dear. Example, we can pass some condition. Okay, active plus whose name is table. Active and whose name is table. Only these two things, right? So I can put this data in a product object. I can make that one as example object and I can use that for select operation. Then I will get list of products. By passing that list of product object to what remove method or delete method, whatever is there, we can delete the records or not, guys. Delete by ID is a regular boring one, might be there in this one. I want you people to worry about it. String, tell me guys, string, remove products, tell me. String name, string status. String name, string status. But we don't have custom methods. The predefined methods only I want to use other than ID value as a criteria value. Then we can bring example object into picture. Other day I also discussed in Flipkart for dynamic query condition based on the data that is there in non-null properties of the given document object. Okay, if you want to do select operation, we have to take the support of example object or not, guys. Okay, that's good. Now let's see how I want to implement. Prepare, what is this? Document class object having given data. Prepare document class object having given data. Product, prod is equal to new product of prod dot. What is there? Prod dot set status active. Prod dot set name table. We have taken. Prepare example object. What object, guys? Prepare example object. Example. Example is equal to example dot of what is there? Prod. Example dot of prod. Are you getting my point there, guys? Super boss. Tell me. Example, okay, but you have to use generic, guys. What is there? Gen. Example dot of prod. Next one. Get the documents. Get the doc. Yeah. Tell me how to get the documents, guys. Okay. List product. List product list is equal. List product list is equal to. What is next one? List product list is equal to prod repo dot find all with exam. Find all with example. Everyone getting my point? Delete the objects. Delete the docs. Delete the docs. Okay, delete the docs. Prod repo dot delete. Delete all. Delete all. Is there? Not delete. Remove is there? Not there. Delete all by a trouble. Delete all by list. Okay. Here I want to write, what I want to write is return list dot size, number of records, number of docs or number of docs or delete. List dot size, number of docs or delete. Everyone getting my point? Yes. That's great. That's great, guys. Put data MongoDB, this one. We have to call that one in runner, na? Okay, we have to call that one in run. Try. What is there? String message is equal to. What is equal to? What there? Prod service dot. Remove products. Table. What is the status? What is the status? Active. What is the end class condition only will be applied. System dot out dot println message. Catch. What is there? Exception E. E dot print stack trace. What is that? E dot print stack trace. Right click, run as Java application. One number of doc is found and that is deleted. Table and active, only one record is there. And we are going to get what? Only that record. Whatever it is. Fine. So it is searching and getting the records are not there. I think this is the one. Generally, all other methods are there performing operations on, okay, ID value. Copy these guys. This is save all method. Updating document in MongoDB, removing document in MongoDB, getting document by applying sorting, right? Okay. Yeah, if you take other than, okay, you try this one at home, guys. Okay, what is that, Updating document. If you take other than string ID property as ID property, that's not a recommended process, only for knowledge sake I have given. Only for knowledge sake I have given. Yeah, where is that? Getting documents by applying sort, removing the documents, yes. Another example on removing document. Another example on removing docs. That's it. Fine. Okay, now let me upload this document also to everywhere. Yes. Let me upload.